Hello and welcome back to the Adja channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a COUNTIF function which looks for a certain criteria within a data set and counts the number of values or entries which meet that criteria. So today we're going to use a really simple example of counting how many animals are in a particular data set. This can also be used to count how many entries are over a certain value. So first let's look at animals, and here we have a really long list of 600 different animals, and we want to count how many certain type are within the list. So I'm going to use the first example of dog, and in here we're going to create our formula. So our result will end up being in D4. So first we need to initiate a function by typing equals. We then want to type the formula, which here is COUNTIF, and here it gives us a syntax of the formula. So first of all, we select our range. We then need to select where our criteria is, which for us is dog in C4. And then we want to close the formula off with a bracket and hit enter. So that's found 2 dogs in our data. Now we can check that. So I'm going to go to data and apply filter. And I'm going to just check dog, apply the filter. And as you can see, there's 2 results. There's 2 dogs in that data set. What we can actually do is we can just copy this formula down. So if we want to change this to, say, pigeon, for example, it finds 1 pigeon. Now, I actually know there's more than 1 pigeon in this data set. So one thing you need to be careful of, spaces next to data, which might mean it doesn't work. So what I'm actually going to do is do a find and replace. So I'm going to hit Control F on my keyboard, go to replace. I want to find spaces. And I'm going to hit nothing in here, so it replaces it with nothing. Select replace all, and that's actually found 616 spaces. So if I now close this, we can see it's found 7 pigeons. The other way you can actually use this function is by directly typing in the animal. So rather than referencing a cell, we can type bat, for example, in apostrophes, hit enter, and it's found 6 bats. And there you go, that's how to use the COUNTIF function in Excel. In another video, I'll cover how to use it with numbers, but thank you for watching. If you missed my previous video, we looked at conditional formatting, so please check that out. The link is below. If you'd like to stay in touch to see our next video, please don't forget to subscribe.